In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Mailchimp branding from your email campaigns so your messages look more professional. Start by logging into Mailchimp and heading to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side. Choose the campaign you want to edit, hover over it and click Edit. From here, select Design Email and pick your template. Now scroll to the bottom of your email design. You'll see the Mailchimp branding in the footer. By default, it shows up on all free plans. The only way to remove it is by upgrading to one of Mailchimp's paid plans. Once upgraded, you'll have the option to delete or customize that footer, giving your emails a clean, professional finish. And that's it. With this upgrade, your campaigns stay fully branded to your business without extra clutter. If this guide helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.